Oh, there we go. That's a better fish. Welcome back, guys. I don't know about you, but August has been kicking my tail. So today we're headed to Deer Creek. I'm hoping I can catch some smallmouth. So let's see where we reel it. Okay, well, we made it. We're here at beautiful Deer Creek. I can't believe how low the water is, but there's fish under me. And I'm going with the Ned Rig. We're in about 13 feet of water. The water's about 77 degrees, so we'll see what we can catch. There we go. Fine one, guys. Finally. Oh, hallelujah. How good does it feel to have the bass on the boat? That feels good. That feels good. I don't care how little it is. Yes. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. All right, so let's go for number 4. It feels good to catch fish. Number 4 for the 4th skunk that I had. See if I can erase it with this oboe. There she is. That's the best one of the day. It's the best one of the day.